This is Amy Chan from cakedecorating-school.com, and if you like cake decorating, you're in the right place. Thanks for checking out our Snowflake fault-line cake project. This sweet design is perfect for any winter holiday or event, even for a themed winter birthday party. It's a frosty twist on a fault-line cake that will impress your family and friends. This cake is an easy way to make a first attempt at a fault line. Plus, we've added some high-impact extra details with the large, oversized snowflakes to add some sparkle. It's easy to customize by changing up the colors or adding your own special touches. Follow along with the step-by-step videos to learn it all, from filling and frosting your cake to creating your fault line and getting a smooth finish on your cake without disturbing the gap. Plus, putting on all those sparkly finishing touches. This class can be bought as a standalone lesson, or you can get it as part of your yearly membership, plus so much more, while saving a bunch. For more information about yearly membership and what it includes, go to www.cakedecorating-school.com. Hey everyone, we wanted to tell you a little bit about what paid membership to our school includes. So you'll get 12 themed project classes, one that drops each month. You could buy them separately, but you'll save a bunch by going with the yearly membership. We also do a bunch of Instagram live classes that we record and post to the platform for our paid students so that they can watch at their convenience or rewatch anytime. We like to do a lot of little companion projects for our themed classes and also some seasonal content along with some simple techniques for our lives just to help bolster your basic decorating skills. We also have what we call our foundation vault videos that include basic recipes you'll need to decorate with and also some techniques and just great foundations of cake decorating. We also have some plans to include some bonus material that will be accessible for our yearly students only. So we hope you'll check it out, we hope you'll join us, and we hope you'll have lots of fun decorating.